Welcome to the future of human resources. Discover how generative AI is revolutionizing HR practices, making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. Join our comprehensive workshop and learn to harness the power of AI in recruitment, employee engagement, performance management, and more. Our objectives are clear. You'll understand the fundamentals of generative AI, explore its applications in HR, and develop strategies to implement AI in your organization. Our agenda covers everything from AI fundamentals to ethical considerations and includes practical case studies and hands-on activities. This workshop is designed for HR professionals eager to elevate their skills and integrate cutting-edge AI technologies into their workflows. You'll engage in interactive sessions, explore real-world case studies, and participate in group activities designed to solidify your understanding. Each participant will complete a capstone project, applying what they've learned to create an AI-driven solution for their own HR challenges. This isn't just a workshop, it's a pathway to becoming an AI-savvy HR leader. This workshop is a game-changer for HR professionals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to future-proof your HR career. Register today and transform the way you work. Visit our website to learn more and sign up.